I want to make it super cool. And to make that, we're gonna model a new bumper and put some lithium batteries in here, and we'll see how it can go. Now let's move to the upgrades, and yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna play full power for this car, and for that I'm gonna use the lithium batteries. But the problem is the lithium batteries provide 8.4 volts, and we need 5 volts to not burn PCB, and yeah. So for this I'm gonna use a step down PCB. It looks like this, and if you put 9 volts on the input, at the output you can get 5 volts. If you put like 8.4 volts, you can go in the input, you can get 5 volts in the output. And this is what I'm going to do now. Okay, we got solder in iron here, and there's a PCB here. Okay. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay, we're ready with input. I'll also add the 220 microfarad smoothing capacitor here, and I'll connect the step down PCB to the receiver. Okay, we got the soldering iron here, and okay. One, two, there you go. So we got everything down, and yeah. Now we can test the car. Okay guys, the moment of truth. Let's see if it can rip. Okay, we connect the lithium batteries there. 1 and 2. Okay, I'll use a box so it wouldn't run away. Oh my gosh, look at the speed. Oh, it's quite fast now. Very nice. Now let's put this car together, and we can go and test it with the lithium batteries. Guys, we're now going to be testing the super power of this car, what it can do, the maximum. On 2 lithium batteries. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh no! Guys, look, we have the bumper. Oh my gosh. The speed was very fast, so it was the bumper. Oh, what to do? I have an idea. Maybe if we can model another bumper in Fusion 360, it would be like the same. Speed. Whoa. Stop. I love this car because the speed on 2 lithium batteries is quite fast. Hey guys, so let's go and model the new bumper in Fusion 360. Okay, I have my calipers just to measure everything. Create sketch from the top, and we're gonna measure the line here, and it's gonna be 18 millimeters. Okay, we make 18 millimeters line. Okay, 18, 9, and okay, and another one, and 9. There you go. Like, this is pretty cool. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to 3D print it. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's upload the bumper here, and we'll put the button upload, and we got body bumper STL, and there we go, I got it. Now we need to turn back. Okay, now we'll rotate, flatten the face. This one. Okay, you can see how we made it, and now this bumper is already floating in the air. So on those handles for it, and it's gonna be easier to take it off from the bottom of the 3D printer, and we're gonna not have to some path of those handles. Okay, now okay, go to here and slice. Okay, networks sending send. Yes. And now we're printing! Hooray! Okay, the job is done. Now let's see what we have inside. Let's open the lid. Okay. There we go. And let's see what we have here. And here we have the bumper, which we have on the picture of the turtle box. And now we can put it on our car. But first, we'll should cure it. So it's gonna be clean and without all those toxic things on it. Okay, look, now we have a finished bumper here, and now we're gonna replace it. And what we have here is the broken one. So this broken bumper is in the end of its life, and we're gonna get rid of it. And we have the second part here. Let's take it off and place the new bumper. Now let's put the new one here and screw it back on. Yeah, we got it. Now look how cool this car is. Absolutely better. And I like how it looks. And now this car is absolutely awesome, and every part is mounted, the bumper and everything what can be mounted in here. Let's do some drifting. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god. Oh. If you like my video, please subscribe, smash the bell, and like my video, and of course watch more videos of RX Robotics, and the STL file for this bumper is down below in the description. Bye!